Tired of dull, dirty jewelry that's lost its sparkle? Bring back the shine with Sunshine. Our foaming jewelry cleaner is specifically designed for jewelers and permanent jewelry artists. A little bit of sunshine after you zap embellishes the PJ experience. Elevate your jewelry creations with a touch of brilliance that will wow your customers. Simply apply foam to jewelry, wait 10 to 30 seconds, work into hard-to-reach places using the included soft brush, then rinse well. Get Sunstone Sunshine Foaming Jewelry Cleaner today and see the transformative power it brings to your jewelry. Call us at 801-658-0015 or visit our website at www.sunstonewelders.com.